So we're going to draw the IU drawing. We're going into SketchUp 2017. We're going to click Choose Template, and we're going to find any template that has feet and inches on it. So you could use that one, or you could use that one. They work the same way, they just look different. So I'm going to click this one. Start using SketchUp. And then you want to make sure you have your toolbars open. If you haven't done that yet, you're going to go to View, Toolbars, and then you're going to select Large Toolset, Styles, and Views. Let's try this again. So Large Toolset, Styles, and Views. Right there. And then hit Close. And just a quick review that the red axis is the x-axis, blue is the y-axis, green is the z-axis. And then I would recommend that you go to the top view. So I'm up here in my Views toolbar, clicking on the roof, going to top view. That's going to simplify things. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to draw the I, the capital I at the bottom of the page that you were given in Canvas. So we do this by using the line tool. We're going to click anywhere on the screen, it doesn't matter where. Hold the line over on the red axis, okay? And then on your 10 key on the keyboard, you're going to type 3 feet, which is apostrophe, so 3 feet, enter. And then I would check your work. I would go to the dimension tool, click on the line, make sure it's 3 feet. Since you're just a beginner, you're going to want to check your work as you go. That way you don't complete a bunch of it and then find out later that it's not correct. Go to your line tool again, go to the end point, pull it up on the green axis, and you could this time you could type 1 foot or just 12, which is 12 inches, enter. And then you're going to start zipping around this whole thing. Move it to the left, 12, move up. That's either 18 inches or 1 foot, 6. And you don't need to put inches ever, enter. Come over, 12, enter. Up, 12. Over 3 feet, which is 36 inches or 3 feet, and then you're going to continue on. Now here's another way you could do this. You can hover over and it'll match the height. Come over 12 here. You could hover over and match the height of this line. You just do it until it recognizes it. There, it finally did it. Same thing here. And then close it, and you're wanting it to shade in. That's a key for this to be a closed figure. You're going to dimension it correctly. Go to your dimensions and put all the dimensions in here that you see on the paper. So the 1 foot 6, the 1 foot here, the 3 feet up there should be the same as the one down there, so you could almost skip that one. This one here, this should be the same as that. If you wanted to, you could do the overall height from point to point. So just enough to prove that it's correct. Then I would use the orbit tool up here, or middle click your mouse and spin, and then push pull it down. I say down because if you go up, you're going to block your dimensions. So go down and then type 6, enter, which is 6 inches. And then you're ready to do the next shape. So we're going to line those up. We're going to go to the pencil tool, and we're going to go to the top right in the front of that and go over whatever number you want. I think 2 feet makes pretty good sense. And then you can start going back to top view and start drawing the U shape. And then once you've put in the first measurement, which is 3 foot 6, enter, you could always come back and then erase this line that connected these points. But then that aligns these two shapes with each other. Remember, when you save, you're going to go to File, Save As. You're going to go to this PC, find your name, which is called your H drive, and then save this in there as your name, IU. So your last name, IU.